Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How's your day going so far?
Very well. I'm very happy to be here interacting with this entire fraternity today. And excellent, very nice crowd, a lot of interaction, a lot of interesting talks,
I'm really
a lot of
glad.
presentations, good presentations. And so far, there have been very insightful presentations that we've had so far. Yeah.
I'm really glad that you're enjoying this.
Thank you.
Could you introduce yourself and the company?
Yeah, I'm Jitendra Kumar Bharyok and I'm here from Vimal Intertrade. Vimal Intertrade is a 40-year-old chemical distributor and a supplying company. We are probably one of the largest distributors and suppliers of chemicals and petrochemicals in the country, representing several multinational and national companies. Yeah. So we have a gamut of products for almost all the industries. We are here to represent some of the products which Lanxess has for bitumen modification and bitumen trade. And these are basically products which add value in terms of improving paving temperatures, ease of paving, and also at the same time reducing dosage level of expensive polymers, as well as helping improve what I would say the content of sulfur in bitumen, the whereby which is sort of carcinogenic, so it is also good for the health of the people who are probably working with bitumen. Yeah.
That's great to hear.
Thank you.
And could you give us a little more details about some of the more sustainable products that you're dealing with?
Yeah, in terms of sustainability, this is organic additive for replacement for sulfur. So as I mentioned, it is not as carcinogenic as sulfur. So it is good to use. It's easy to use, and also as I mentioned, it reduces the curing time of bitumen, modified bitumen, whereby which you end up saving a lot of energy. Yeah?
That's great.
And also it is less harmful for people working with bitumen, and it's more healthier. I mean, in terms of any harmful effects of sulfur in bitumen, it is better for that. Yeah.
No, that's actually really good and really something that we need right now.
Sure.
And could you give me the strength? What does Vimal and Lanxess, if you have to talk about, what is your strength?
Well, Lanxess is very strong in terms of R&D and development, and these kind of products. They are very well established globally. In India as well, they have a great setup. They have labs. Vimal is their supporting partner. We are also working very closely with Rexy in this field. So Rex Fuels and Vimal and Lanxess, all three of us are tied up together to promote this product in India. Yeah.
That's great to hear.
Thank you.
And my final question to you is, could you give a short feedback on the conference?
Excellent. As always, Rexy and team have been doing a great job. Congratulations to them. They have completed 20 years today. And I look forward to engaging and interacting with all of them even more going forward.
Well, I'm glad to hear
Thank
that.
you very much.
And thank you so much for your time.
My pleasure.
Thank
Thank
you.
you. Thank you.